Welcome to Fruit Fun.
Hi kids! Welcome to Fruit Fun, exploring nature's candy. Today, we're going to dive into the wonderful world of fruits. Let's meet our fruity friends.
Hi, I'm Apple, crunchy and sweet.
I'm Banana, yellow and yummy.
Hello, I'm Orange, juicy and tangy.
And I'm Grapes, sweet, a little burst of flavors.
Fruits come in many shapes, sizes, and colors, but they are all packed with goodness. Eating fruits is not just delicious, it's super healthy too. They give us energy, help us grow strong, and keep us feeling great. Did you know apples float in water because they're filled with air?
Where? I'm a floating apple.
And bananas are berries, but strawberries aren't. I'm a berry? That's bananas. Now, let's explore different types of fruits. Some grow on trees, like apples and oranges. Others, like strawberries and blueberries, grow on bushes close to the ground. There are so many fun things you can do with fruits. You can make delicious fruit salads, yummy smoothies, or even create fun fruit faces. And that's our adventure with fruits. Remember, fruits are not just nature's candy, but they're also fantastic for keeping us healthy and happy. Thanks for joining us on Fruit Fun, exploring nature's candy. See you next time. Stay curious and healthy.